I'm Dr. Guanfeng Liu. The Master of Data Science at Macquarie University offers students a pathway to acquiring the skills and knowledge in statistical modeling, data management, big data technology, and machine learning in sectors as diverse as finance, infrastructure, health, education, logistics, and business. Our data science teaching staff are experts in their field with teaching and industry experience across diverse sectors in machine learning, data analytics, statistics, and programming. They also have rich international and Australian industry working experience with strong industry connections. We welcome your interest in learning more about what the Master of Data Science can offer and where a postgraduate degree can take you.
In this program, we expose students to be involved in cutting-edge tools and technology. Our curriculum emphasizes on practical skills through collaboration with industries.
Data science is the kind of field that is very diverse. You'll see its usage in all kinds of fields, from sports to finance, from healthcare to businesses.
It's designed in a way that everyone from every background can start and learn data science.
The key to the success of students here is the way the course is taught and assessed. It is not just academics, it is the practice of it, how you apply it, how you use the knowledge taught in class and the things you are not taught to research on, to build on that, and to deliver the output that would be required in the market in the coming weeks, months, and years.
There is 3 types of classes: lecture classes, practical classes, and SGTAs. And these 3 types of classes make students to do hands-on projects.
Academics at Macquarie are easy to reach out to, they are easy to communicate with, and they will help you find your place in academia. They'll help you identify your strengths and help you apply them.
All of the activities in the university are interconnected. You cannot isolate yourself just going to the classes or just waiting for the internship. My suggestion for new students is to try to participate in all the activities as much as possible, in workshops, in talks, in hackathons, any opportunities that they can find.
The Macquarie campus is the most beautiful campus in all universities. There's a lot of facilities. The library is the most beautiful and nice place. There is silent space, there's group workspace.
The services available to you, be it library, be it the Service Connect, be it student employability, be it the careers, be it global leadership programs, that's what makes Macquarie what it is.
There's a lot of professors and there's a lot of staff that makes you comfortable and gives you a lot of opportunities and make your dreams be real.
We had guest speakers from different companies like Microsoft, Google, and Snowflake. It was really good that before I started working with them, I exposed with some parts of those platforms.
The key benefits for students who are doing an internship program or working in industry for a major project really starts with being able to utilise the practical experience that they're going to develop. It's about developing soft skills, and that's communication, that's attending meetings, and then it's about networking, and that brings you opportunity or potential opportunities in the future. The reason why you go and work on an industry project is if you are in the right opportunity at the right time, you may get a job, but if not, you've then got an industry project that you can refer to for any job interview that you're going for after you complete your studies. You've got your CV that's updated with an industry-based project, and it just gives you that extra level of confidence.
In data science, you have a lot of opportunities in different fields. Personally, I'm working in a real estate sector, but my friends are working in insurance, finance, health, and almost in every field you need a data science. During your studying, try to work on yourself, learn as much as possible, improve your social skills and networking.
In 5 years, we expect that in all workplaces, they need someone to work with data. In our program, we equip a student with those skills.
We invite you to study with us to launch your career in data science with the technological and analytical skills and abilities required in today's data-driven workforce.